The purpose of this meditation is to cleanse your life of negative mental and physical energy. If things often go wrong and you feel like you miss out on the luck that is abundant in other people's lives, it is time to remove the negative energy that attracts bad things into your life. To begin, find yourself a comfortable position and close your eyes. Relax your body by contracting all your muscles hard, holding them tight for 2 seconds, and relaxing them again. Let's first breathe more deeply than usual. Inhale to the point where your lungs are completely filled. Hold your breath for 3 seconds, and then exhale until there's no more air left. Do this 5 times to slow down your heart and to tell your brain to relax. Hold your shoulders and upper chest still while allowing your belly to do all the work. The extra oxygen that you inhale cleans your blood, and the deep exhale expels toxins from your body. Once you're done, return to a breathing rate that is comfortable, but make sure your breathing remains deep enough to take in enough oxygen. Now start to notice a dazzling sphere of golden light above your head. This beautiful magical light is floating above you, warming the top of your head and illuminating the whole room. Say yes aloud or silently in your head when you feel ready to unleash the magical power of this light to cleanse your body of negative energy. And suddenly, this light opens up into a torrent of cleansing energy that pours down like a shower. You can feel it washing over the top of your head and down your face, neck, and shoulders. Open your mouth and swallow as much of this energy as you can. Breathe it in through your nose. As it pours down your arms, open your hands and grab some of it. Feel it stream down your chest, stomach, back, hips, legs, and feet. Experience the light flowing continuously through your body, burning up your negative energy and washing away the ashes. Observe this miracle for a few more seconds and feel the absolute elation that accompanies this process. As your physical body is being purified and freed of energy that is old, stagnant, or stuck, you will start feeling lighter and happier. Envision your body becoming cleaner and cleaner until it resembles transparent glass. Continue this process until you're entirely clean and clear, both inside and out. Now, imagine the sphere of golden light above you, enlarging and pouring down over your energetic body, your aura. Watch it come down all around you. This will reduce the negative vibes you send out to others and the negative events you attract into your life. Watch this light cleanse and clear your aura until it is as beautifully clean as your body. To shield yourself from the negative energy that you absorb from other people and from your environment, build a strong filter around yourself. Picture a large wall all around you that stretches about an arm's length from your body. It is filled with the same golden light that just cleansed your physical body and aura. This light enables your shield to allow positive energy in, while blocking negative energy from entering. See yourself in the middle of this shield and experience the feeling of safety that it brings. Imagine a situation in which you're upset. Someone is criticizing you or making a hurtful remark about you. While standing in the middle of your shield, watch the negative energy from this event hit the outside wall and slide off. Live through the incident in your mind while knowing that you're safe from being hurt. The negative energy that harms you cannot touch you. It cannot cause the sick feeling of disappointment, fear, or pain. Now that your physical and energetic bodies are cleansed of negative energy and your shield is in place, spend a moment in deep gratitude for this process. You're ready to return to a life in which the positive outweighs the negative. And that is one of the greatest gifts in the world. Promise yourself to return to this meditation from time to time when you feel miserable. Commit to practicing energy cleaning in the same way that you take baths. When you're ready, start to roll your shoulders, wriggle your fingers, and open your eyes to the better world that you have just created.